Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and dive bit practical in this tutorial how to rollbacks or especially how to downgrade iOS without losing any especially data on your iPhone's device. Why I'm telling you because sometimes due to especially Apple updates or by logging the latest feature on iOS or Apple device, especially we are going to update, but sometimes due to bugs as we know that is maybe especially worse for us. So once again we would like to roll backs without losing any data. How could I? Firstly we will check it out. Is it possible the manually if you would like to or not? Then of course we have the clue. The by execution of it we can yes roll back it without losing any data. So how do I do that? Firstly we will tap on the setting guys, then we will have to come the general to of course we will have to tap on a especially software update, and we will see here yes it is saying so that of course you can upgrade once. So if you would like to upgrade and because of these things especially we are going to update by itself the manually on this, and due to that we trapped or stuck on latest iOS, and we are unable to roll back. So we don't have a special opportunity to roll back it. If I click on a especially auto update, as we see we don't have options here. If I go especially beta version update, now let's see, yes we don't have. So we have an opportunity to upgrade, but we don't have an opportunity to especially a downgrade. So how could I? Yes, this can be the possibles. Just we will go for an administration, that is especially I'm the 3U tool here. This 3U tool that can be especially visited by tapping here www.3u.com, and yes, by directly if you have downloaded this one, so then you can go for an administration. There is also feature that directly you can access of it. So we have done the run as administrations. Now just we will connect the data cable and the phone. Yes, we will check it out. Is it possible? So it's asking for just a hotspot and etc. So just we will close this hotspot guys right now. So we will come the setting to of course we will have to come in a hotspot. So we will come in a data to hotspot to of course we will close it, and thereupon we will check it out here. Yes, it's connecting, so it's taking time. So once again especially we will connect and disconnect, and see finally it has been. We will come the smart flash option, and as we see here how easily of course we have an opportunity to. So firstly we will have to come on a special iOS 18.1.1 here by downgrading it, and thereupon of course we will have an opportunity once again to downgrade from iOS 18 to 17 iOS easy way without losing any data. Right now see here beta versions especially we have a 2 3 4 18.2.4 18.2.4 beta version is especially currently on this device is working. How it is, so see just once again I would like to show you here guys. We'll come the general to of course software update, and as we see here we have limited 18.2 beta version it is, but of course we would like to go on a iOS 17, so this can be the possible. Firstly we will have to come on iOS 18.1.1, and upon after especially downgrading this ones, then of course once again we will have another opportunity, we will have the chance to downgrade and once again back on iOS 17 without losing any data. Of course we will have to select here after downloading. Suppose this one we have elected or downloaded it, then here we will have to select retain user data, whatever the redundant or especially the data is especially available on your device, either it is apps application or any MS Word, MS files data. This can be retained by using these selections. This is not going to wipe out any kind of the data that is in your device. If you select the quick flash mode, then of course you will have you lose your data. So don't select anti-recovery. It will take the much more times, but of course, anti-recovery means you won't be able to recover ever if you want or insist to or intended. However, if you dare to especially once again gain your lost data, you won't be able to recover. So just and in a case your iOS or iPhones, Apple device that has been stuck on a Apple logo or booting again and again or black screens coming, this kind of especially thing are especially you are facing this kind of issues, then of course you can address by using this options. So just we will select and they have they retain user data and report. We will hit this button. So see here, if I hit, so then it will ask to if you like to the battery backups, then you can, otherwise no problem at all, directly you can hit, and within the 5 to 10 minutes of course your iOS would be changed, replaced from 18.2 beta 4 to especially iOS 18.1, and upon of course once again we reached here, once again we will do a similar procedure, then once again we will reach on a iOS 70. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Right now it will take the much more time, and firstly we will have to download, and thereupon we will have to go for process. So similar strategy we expect from all of you, especially to execute, and thereupon of course you will get the good correlation of that. If any kind of the issues you are facing or errors, and then of course blindly have the query below the comments box. Plus would be managed to reply to the query, guys. This is all about in this video tutorial. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.